Hey YouTube, welcome back. Problem number 1431. Kid with the greatest number of candies. There are n kids with candies. You are given an integer array called candies, where each candies of I represents the number of candies the ith kid has, and an integer called extract candies, donating the number of extract candies that you have. We should return a Boolean array result of length m where results of I is true. If after giving the ith kid all the extra candies, they will have the greatest number of candies among all the kids, or false otherwise. We should note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. So for example, we have this array, and we have this number 2, 3, 5, 1, 3, and the extra candies is 3. And we return an array with everything is true except the value of 1. So basically, when I add 3 on 2, it will be 5. It will be one of the greatest, or the greatest number. If I add 3 to 3, it will be 6. It will be the greatest number. If I add 3 to 5, it will be 8. It will be greatest number. And if I add 3 to 1, it will be 4. It will not be the greatest number. If I add 3 to 3, as we said before, it will be 6, so it will be greatest number. Here it will be, the greatest number will be only the first one. It will be true because the greatest number is 4, so we add 1 to 4, it will be 5. If added 1 to 2, it will be 3, but we have a number is bigger than 3, which is 4, and we continue this in 1, 1, and 2. So this problem, how to solve this problem is pretty easy, but let's just recap the problem. So first you have a list of kids, each kid with a certain number of candies. You also have some extra candies that you can give to the kids. You need to determine if each kid can have the greatest number of candies among all the kids if they are given all extra candies. There is an easy step to handle this one, which is to find the biggest number. So we need to find the kid with the most candies. So first, figure out how many candies with kid with the most candies currently has. This will be our reference point. And after that, we should check each kid with extra candies. Like for each kid, we should calculate how many candies they would have if they received all the extra candies. And after that, we should compare this new amount to the maximum number of candies we found in the first step. So for example, here we do in the 5. If the new amount is equal to or greater than the maximum number, then the kid can potentially have the greatest number. And after that, we created the result array. So basically, for each kid, we store true if they can have the greatest number of candies with the extra candies, and false otherwise. Let's try to do it. It will be 2-line solution. First, we will find the max candy. So const, it will be max candies. It will equal math.max everything in candies. Right now we have the biggest number. After that, we will return candies dot map. So basically, the map function creates a new array for each candy. We return a true or false for each element. So I will say candy plus extra candies is bigger than or equal max candies, and basically voila, that's it. So let's submit and see how it worked. It did work. So how this one works: first, we find the maximum number of candies. So the math.max here uses the spread operator to pass each element of the candies array as an argument to the math.max, which then returns the maximum value of them. After that, we're creating the result array. So we have the candies.map, this one candies.map, and we have a callback function. The map creates a new array by applying the provided function to each element in the candies array. And for each candy, we check if the candy plus the extra candies is greater than or equal the max candies. If it is, we put true. If in the result array, otherwise it false. So basically, this one it returns true or false. So it's basically 3 steps. Step 1 is find the maximum number of candies. Step 2, for each kid, check if the given array, if you giving them the extra candies makes their total candies at least as many or as a maximum number found in step 1. After that, we store true or false, and we do this by the output of this equation. So this solution is efficient and straightforward, ensuring that you can easily determine which kid can potentially have the greatest number of candies with the given extra candies. So that's it for this video, and see you in the future.